For those who spend a majority of their time at the office, cool office gadgets are an excellent way to make the 8-hour workdays more enjoyable. Whether you need a new desk organizer for your phone accessories, desk pad, or coffee mug that keeps your drink warm, this list of coolest office desk gadgets on Amazon might be just what you're looking for. 10. Orbitkey Nest Desk Organizer. This is essentially an organizer box to store all of your items so that you can be all neat and organized. The Orbitkey Nest is a customizable and portable desk organizer with an inbuilt wireless charger, allowing you to declutter and stay organized wherever you are. The wireless charger, which is entrenched in the lid, will keep your devices charged while you work, so they're always ready to go. So you can open the case by just flipping it open, or you can take the entire case off by pulling it vertically. It's very cool in design, so inside the case you can organize your daily items like AirPods, SD cards, glasses, SSD, etc. And this is all neatly divided by using Velcro dividers that can be customized and stick it anywhere, and it's surprisingly solid. Also, on top of the case, there's a lot of slots for your SD card and business cards. So the Orbitkey Nest is very useful. The desk organizer is supposed to live on your desk, and the remarkable thing is that it also acts as a desk tray where you can put your daily EDC on, and it's going to look fantastic, especially with the soft leather hop around the tray-like case. And the most super cool, techiest part of this entire rig is that you can actually plug it on the side, which becomes a wireless charging pad for your phone. So this gadget is definitely super feature packed, and when you want to take it on the go, you can just put it on the elastic string to secure it, and you can put it in your bag or bring it wherever you want. The mobility part is super cool as well. It acts as that typical case for your everyday things. Number 2. Omnicharge Mobile 25600. You'll never need to bother about being left without power if you have the Omni Mobile 25600. This powerful mobile charger offers fast and efficient charging capabilities, flexible recharging options, and wireless convenience as a high-capacity power bank for laptops, mobile devices, and more. The typical air travel size limit for a portable charger or power source is 100 watts. The Omni Mobile 25600 falls just short of that with an impressive 92 watt-hour battery or 25,600 mAh as referenced in the name, giving you a considerable amount of mobile charging power. This Omnicharge mobile charger provides exceptional recharging capabilities from both the barrel port and USB-C port and can recharge the Omnicharge in under 3 hours. Number 3 on our list is LEPOW Portable Monitor. Full HD 1080p screen, dual speakers deliver dynamic video experience and immersive 360-degree sound. The LEPOW A Monitor series is definitely your fantastic display. LEPOW USB-C monitor offers astonishing 1920 by 1080 resolution visuals with incredible color reproduction. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen uses write protection that keeps your eyes from getting tired during prolonged use. A user-friendly monitor before connecting it to your electronics, no driver installation or complicated procedures are needed. Its firm connection stability avoids any interruption when you're doing your work. 2 speakers deliver crystal clear audio enjoyment when playing games and viewing videos. Also, you can use your own speaker for a far more pleasing sound effect via a 3.5mm audio jack. Number 4. BENQ Screen Light Bar Plus. Auto-dimming, space-saving, no screen glare. Desktop dial makes use more convenient. The built-in ambient light sensor automatically brightens to 500 lux. Monitor Light Screen Bar Plus is equipped with a sensor that detects the surrounding brightness and then adjusts to just the right light. With BENQ's unique design, we eliminate the need for mounting hardware like screws or tape. Computer Screen Bar Plus has an asymmetrical visual design that only lights the desk and doesn't shine on the screen, evading reflective screen glare. The 500 lux illuminance of the desk surface assures that you see everything in front of the screen clearly. Number 5. Groove-Made Desk Pad. There's something to be said for maintaining a good work surface. Desk pads not only provide a modern and professional look to your office, but also have some practical advantages. Its comfortable and smooth surface is large enough to accommodate your laptop, keyboard, and mouse, and protects your desk from scratches, stains, spills, heat, and scuffs. It can work as a mouse pad, desk mat, desk blotters, and writing pad. The desk pad provides wrist support while typing, writing, or using the mouse, and will not move once placed on the desk due to its non-slip backing. Next on our list is Satechi Desktop Charger. Its ultra-sleek design complements your modern accessories and consolidates multiple adapters, ideal for working in the office or traveling on the go. Housed in durable, heat-resistant materials, the charger complies with CE, ETL, USB-IF, and FCC standards to ensure a safe, worry-free charge. This Satechi PD desktop charger is a suitable accessory to take with you on the go, or even keep at your workstation. You can power up even demanding appliances like tablets and laptops while charging other devices like your gaming consoles or phone. It features two USB-A ports with a total of 12 watts, a USB-C PD port with 18 watts, and a USB-C PD port with 90 watts. You can use the desktop charger to charge up to 4 appliances at once. Number 7. Nomad Base Station Pro. Base Station Pro with free power technology allows a truly positionless charging experience. A matrix of 18 cells enables you to charge up to 3 devices anywhere simultaneously. Base Station Pro is made to enhance any office, home, or workspace with its modern design, padded leather surface, and slim profile. Base Station Pro introduces a new era of charging with total surface wireless power. Simply position your phone anywhere on the surface and it will effortlessly start to charge. Never bother about waking up to a dead phone because it wasn't aligned correctly on the charger's sweet spot again. The machined aluminum structure connected with a compact multi-level coil board assembly qualifies for an ultra-thin body measuring at just 1.2 centimeters. Number 8. Ember Mug. Ember's patented technology lets you set the accurate temperature of your hot beverage so that you can relish your drink from the first sip to the last drop. Ember is thoughtfully composed using premium materials for a sleek, modern look featuring an award-winning design. The Ember mug comes with an elegant matching charging coaster and is made of durable stainless steel with a ceramic reinforced coating. Patented technology, Bluetooth connection, precision at your fingertips. The Ember mug draws its power from the coaster or saucer underneath it. The plate has a charging cable that plugs into your outlet and channels electricity into the bottom of the mug, which then warms your drink. You retain the temperature using Ember's app, which lets you choose between a variety of settings or customize to your liking. Scrolling up on the temperature screen allows you to access preset temperature settings for cappuccinos, lattes, black tea, green tea, and coffee, and tapping one of those options will bring your drink to Ember's recommended temperature. There's also an option to create a personalized preset. Enter the drink type, temperature preference, and brand. Number 9. Orbitkey Key Organizer. We're all about either misplacing our keys or trying to force the wrong key into the wrong door. All common problems for those still using the ancient key ring as their choice of the key organizer. The Orbitkey is for anyone who wants to add a little more organization to their life and clear up their pockets. Although simple in design, the Orbitkey can solve a lot of problems experienced on an everyday basis. The keys and accessories are sandwiched in between an exterior made of either polymer, TPU, canvas, nylon, leather, or something called Crazy Horse, all of which are hard wearing. Another positive is its ability to arrange things beyond just the modest key. With a range of accessories, including a 6-in-1 multi-tool and a USB flash drive, this key organizer can almost organize dinner. It's a very durable product that holds up exceptionally well with only minor cosmetic damage over a year's usage. The tool itself is slightly loosened but can easily be retightened. As well as the above, it guards other things in your pocket from key scratches. Number 10. Sandisk SSDs. Sandisk, a pioneer in solid-state storage technologies and the brand pros trust, delivers improved speed and performance with the Sandisk SSD+. You'll appreciate faster startups, shutdowns, data transfers, and application response times than with a hard disk drive. The Sandisk SSD+ also offers quiet, reliable performance and dashboard status monitoring for your favorite media applications. With no moving elements, the Sandisk SSD Plus is engineered to resist vibration and shock, enabling you to maintain your data safe through life's bumps and bruises. The Sandisk SSD Plus comes with step-by-step, easy instructions and cloning software to help you set up your new drive. These are definitely worth the investment. So that's it for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel.